Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we're going to look at My Heart Will Go On, the love theme from Titanic. And we'll be using this book here, Simple Songs by Hal Leonard, more simple songs. And we're going to use this version, which is on page 124, as a jumping off point. And in fact, I'm going to give you some harder things that you could do with it if you're thinking about the chords that go with that. So let me play you the very introduction that they've got. And that's nice and beautiful. I recognize it from the movie. But I'm missing this part right here. I'd really like to hear that part. So I'm going to show you how to play that. It's going to take the same left hand that's written, which is based off of a D minor chord, a C chord, and a B flat chord. And we're going to play that part that you might recognize there. So it gives you a couple of different versions of the intro. You could start with that and then do a couple of different ways you could do it. And then if that is not challenging enough, you could also do this. So instead of playing the D minor root position, we're going to stretch it out to an octave, and we're going to put that fifth on the second finger. So it looks like this. Repeat it again and then go straight into the words. So it gives you several options. If that part is too hard, don't worry, just go back to the original part that I had played. Okay, so we've got the verse that starts with the words, "Every night in my dreams." Now that is exactly what's written in the book. I'm going to give you another option. When you see these notes here, these are based on an F chord. This is a C chord. This is a B flat chord. And then an F, and then a C. So if you wanted a little bit more movement, you could do something like this. Or even stretch it out more. So those give you some options as long as you know what chords that you're using. So again, this was the F chord, and then you can almost see that C chord, C, E, G. And this is a B flat chord with an extra little note in the melody. And then an F, and then a C. Let's go on in the book. That is how I know you go on. Playing it as written. The B flat. Now here it's more obvious. When they were jumping to here, we've got our chord shells. If you study with me, you would recognize those. It becomes less obvious when you're doing this, although if you were to put that down here, you can now see that's an F chord. Nothing new, it's just repeating what we had before. Now on near and far. Let's go back to near and far. Again, the left hand is making it really obvious. It's playing the root position D minor, C, B flat, C, D, C, and it's just begging for us to add something more to it. So instead of playing that D, I'm going to go up here and go. that's the options that you can do if you're ready. I'm turning the page to 126. This is repeating exactly as written. And then what I would do if I was playing it, but that's just me, I love that part. And you could end it that way, so. And I ended on an F. Of course, I've got an F in the bass, F, A, C for my F chord. So in the written version, it does go on and it transposes up into the key of, what does it go to? The key of A. But I'm going to stop right there because that is plenty to do. And you can use their ending or you can use my ending. I hope you have fun with it. Also, check out the play along track so you can practice playing along with it. And I will see you in the next video.